Okay, y'all, we came in here. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. We came in here to get some throw pillows. Kind of
I'm sorry.
Kind of change out the living room. Oh, see, TJ Maxx got them for like two, for like 19. They said this was 39 now. Let me get this one. Oh, you want to grab that? Can't really see the color of it. So we got this one and then this one.
And you got the apple pie too, right?
Still want to get some peach? Kind of soft, huh? Yeah. They feel soft. They need them hard. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We just left the laundromat and I got some pillows washed. See all them pillows? So I got all my pillows washed. I got my sheets and comforters washed. What's drying now is the kids' comforters, sheets, and stuff like that. I did not want to wash it here, so I went to the laundromat to get it done, and I'm just drying it back at home. We are in the process. AJ is about to grill, and then he's lighting up the grill, and then after he light up the grill, we are going, my hair is crazy, y'all. I don't want to cut my hair for the longest, but after he light up the grill, we are going to the pool because the kids been, saying they want to go to the pool ever since the pool has opened. So yeah, I got all my cleaning and stuff done. We actually painted Tamar's room. I'm gonna show y'all right quick. We painted Tamar's room this morning. Tay, I'm coming in your room. Your room better be clean. Okay, so this was the wall here that AJ and I painted. And then we painted also this wall here. It looks good. This one didn't need that much painting, so we didn't bother it. This is Markel's little area. So what he needs done is like these little markings and stuff like that. That been here when we came actually. So we're gonna just do this tomorrow. Get that done tomorrow. Get this side done tomorrow as well. And then yeah. And that's it. And then probably this wall right here too we're gonna do. Because this wall is, this one. So we'll do this tomorrow. Dip real fast. Dip. 1, 2, 3. Dip. Dip. Like dip in the whole thing. Put it all the way down on your shoulder, Timar. You see Cal? Look at Cal. Come on. Get your arm. Timar, what you doing? Huh? Count down. With the water, Cal. Not in her face, Cal. Just on her back. No.
Let's go where they go. Timar says she's going for a dip. TL says she's standing on her head. Okay. Got Kale in the background. Look like he's coming like an alligator. And Harris Landing River.
I don't want that. Yes. Get it. Get this one.
Good. All scared of 5 feet.
I'm trying to hang on me.
Yeah, we know you're not scared.
Give me this.
You almost stop. Even if I did drown. Oh, Lord mercy. You jump.
Uh-huh.
Let's do cannonball together, Kim.
Cannonball. Do a cannonball. Goodness. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Cal, you in the pool, baby. Huh? What? Go ahead, Ted. Why you hit the brother?
Mama, you just drowned me.
Cal.
Mama, I didn't.
Cal.
He just kept doing this.
Michael, stop doing that to your sister. Here they go now. Here they go. They fight like this in the pool, outside the pool. Y'all better stop it. Stop, Mom. Mom, stop. Stop it now. Cut it out.
You just saw him.
Stop it.
He was literally holding my feet. I couldn't get out. And I just had to go down with him like.
I didn't see that.
Well, I'm gonna do the same thing to him.
No.
I'm gonna do the same thing.
You better not. You see where he at?
Can't get on my back.
He in 5 feet. You know you ain't going in 5 feet.
Can't get on my back. I thought you were up.
That's crazy.
Hey, bruh. Mama. Hello, girl.
Y'all better stop.
Come on, move. Mom.
Thank you, baby.
Mom.
They back at it again. Back at it again. What is the problem? What is the issue? That's what I want to know. Please come on. Alright, Tete got her cheerleading shoes, you guys. She's about to try it on. This is how the shoes look. They're cute. Look at her little cheerleading shoes. Aww. And we have got what size? Ma, that kind of look 8. That kind of look kind of little. You don't think so? It kind of look.
Well, I'm not going to lie.
It kind of look little. Let's see. Ashley feet. Oh yeah, take that out. Here she go. Oh, it fit good. Oh, it fit good. It feel weird. You got it though. Got some cheerleader shoes, baby. But another time is old.
I thought you already had your skirt.
But another time is old.
It's going to me.
That's it right there?
Let me see if I fit this, cause I know.
They couldn't stand that girl. That's what they been after Stunner, right? Let me get her. Let me get her. Got Miss Pooh with me today. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get it. Get it. Get it. Push it. Push it.
Oh, it smells like chicken.
That's the oyster thing. You get used to it. They're leaving me. Two jellyfish. Why would you want to run it over? You have to go in. Your bike is electric. You go in that water. You won't. Waterproof, meaning that it could be in like the rain, but not be saturated in water. All right, y'all. The rain went away, so I can do my walking and they can do their riding. Look at the little guy. Aww. Go ahead. Hey y'all, happy Thursday. I am just here with a closeout. We usually don't close out our vlogs, so I am going to start something new with closing out the vlogs because literally we just end it wherever it ends and it just ends, okay? But today I'm just going to close it out, tell you guys to like, comment, subscribe because we're going to be posting, you know, consistently and trying to get our views up, trying to get our subscribers up and everything, you know, gang, SD gang up in here. So go ahead and do me a favor and like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell so you can know when we post again because like I said, we're staying consistent for the rest of 2023 and the summer. We got a lot of summer things going on, so you don't want to miss it. And yeah, and that's it. Enjoy your weekend. Happy Juneteenth this weekend, which is coming up. And happy Father's Day to all the fathers, okay?